Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to Forex Let's get them on stage. Morning, guys. Morning. How is everyone? All you invisible people, welcome to the stream. Okay, guys, so yesterday we put a wingback sell on and off the 4 hour on my trade IDs, and this was the result what we woke up to this morning. Price coming down, tickling TP2. So yeah, that was our forward trade from yesterday. I've not put anything on the logbook, and the reason being is because I didn't take it on my logbook. I took it on my live account, and my live account is a different amount of 50k, so it just won't look right. So I'm not going to put it on. However, if you watch the stream back from yesterday, we did have this on as a wingback sell. So nice. Let's move on. We completely reset the charts, and we do a brand new top-down analysis, and we see how we get on from there. Okay, so welcome, my name is Peter Crow. I am trading live Forex. Everything's tracked. Nothing comes onto my logbook without it being taken on stream. Okay, and they're all based on a 50k funded accounts, prop firm accounts, staying within all the rules, even the consistency rule you should be good with. We've not had a minus month this year yet. Okay, it's not to say we're not going to get one, but we've not had a minus month yet. We've been in profit every month trading, okay, between 1% and 4% basically, which is perfectio. Okay, so let's get amongst gold and let's see what the score is. Okay, so what happened? So the monthly has closed bearish, and we've opened up. We've now had a little top wick, and then we flipped bearish, but I'm just not sure we're going to really drive down from there. So I don't really know on the monthly. Then we come to the weekly. Then the weekly is, we're going to have to say sort of we've closed respecting this level, even though we're some way off. This weekly could easily flip and fill the rest of the range. But if this weekly closes bullish in the next 2 days, fantastic. That will confirm us back above this level. Therefore, what range are we in? in here at that point. So we should be fairly straightforward for next week. Bottom wick. Oh, my bloody trade news froze. Everything's froze. Don't do this to me. Ah, we're back. Okay. I think I need a new computer. Bottom wick, and then a flip to come up for the following week. That's what I'd like to see. But this weekly can easily, come through. However, the last time we came through this area, we had a small weekly first, and then the next one popped. So it's going to be interesting what happens there. Now, as for today, what can we get today? So what we expecting the daily to do? Well, the weekly can still do anything. There's 2 days left of it. So then we come to the daily, and what's the daily done? Well, the daily printed bullish by the end, and then we've had a huge drop this morning, but we haven't closed bearish yet. So what range are we in on the daily? That's what we've got to work out. So if we try and identify some ranges. So I would say this is quite a... Because we haven't got much data, it's pretty hard to find these ranges. I mean, if you close bearish today, that would fit. But at any point, this daily can flip to the upside. At any point. And then if it does flip to the upside, where should it be going? Well, technically, we should be coming up to this level. That's the next resistance. But this is after a break, back up, retest, and then down. But that's the only next resistance we've got. We're quite clean traffic range up. So could the daily flip? Potentially. I'm not sure we're going to flip though. I can really see us staying bearish. So what can this daily do? Well, this daily can do anything, so it doesn't really help us because we haven't got any bias. Then the 4 hour printed bearish, heavily bearish. New 4 was opened up and pushed down first, tapped the previous support level, this is quite a significant support level. We've got nice fittings here. Fit, lovely. And then we've just had a bounce off from there. So what is the 4 hour going to do now? If the 4 hour can close below, we could potentially look at sellers below them ranges. Or if the 4 hour is going to flip to the upside, I think it's going to be hard. I really don't like gold. What's happened now? I mean, we caught this yesterday. I think that's probably the best we're going to get for the week. If something pops out, then yeah, fantastic. But we've filled a range now on the 2s and the 1s. So what happens now? Well, you tend to only come back to this level. Could we look at wing back sell from there maybe? Down, respecting, back up, tap to come back down for another bottom. Down, we haven't fully respected, but if we can come back to this level, I might look at a wing back sell. Nothing else is sort of closing around these levels. We've sort of just always came through. Yeah, I don't really like gold, guys. Don't really like gold. If anything, you got a wing back sell, but it's not even much of a high risk. Too risky, I think. If the 15s can get up to this level, I'll take a sell from here. But we'd have to get up within the next 15-minute candle. So if the next 15 could pop up, which I'm just not sure you're going to get it, we'll be looking at a wing back sell from there. So I'll set an alert here. And then let's have a look at NAS. We're going to have a look at NAS now. What's the monthly doing? So monthly printed heavily bearish as well. Then we've had a top wick. Can we flip to the downside? Potentially. Weekly close bullish. Did it close back into a range? It didn't. We're still respecting. Or are we respecting? No, yeah, we are still respecting. But we haven't had a bearish close yet. So technically this can still flip to the upside. Until this closes bearish, I'm just not. If this daily closes bearish, we can look at sells tomorrow to go along with the weekly flipping to the downside. So if the daily closes like this and we get a top wick tomorrow, we can look at sells to come back down to break the low again. But at the moment, this daily again can do anything. We come down to the 4. What's the 4 done? Close respecting, similar. Four's got no bottom wick. Yeah, it just means that four's got no bottom wick. This could end up closing small bullish. That means we've got 2 hours left to wait just to see if we've got a move. The next level you've got on the 4 is here. You could potentially again look at a wingback sell from these levels. I'm just looking at the times where we've closed respecting, which is here, and we tapped, but this took 3 candles to get up and then the drive down. So I'm just not sure we're going to do that. You got this one came straight back through. Doesn't really help. Again, a couple of 4 hours to get up. Awful.
Awful.
Good morning, Dan. How you doing, mate?
Good morning, bud.
I literally got on, right, because I knew you were getting on.
Yeah. Sorry I'm late, sir.
And I thought, you know what? Because yesterday, I jumped on yesterday, and it was horrible, mate. It was just horrible. The way it moved was just disgusting. And then I thought, I don't even think I'll be on tomorrow. Got a bank holiday Friday, haven't we? So we're not trading Friday. Then I thought, you know what? I'll just get on.
Just get on.
My mate Dan will be on, so we can take the piss out of each other and entertain each other.
Yeah.
How are you doing, mate? All right?
I'm all right. I'm going to be off Friday and Monday. I am not required.
Oh, really? Oh, well, there'll be no trading Friday or Monday because bank holiday.
Yeah.
So,
wonderful.
So, look, I've done a top down on gold. Potential wingbacks made the trade I got yesterday, but I only put it on my live account, right? I put it in the trade IDs yesterday. It was here, all the way through to here. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I just put it on my live account. So that was lovely.
Could you share your screen?
Oh yeah, of course I can. Yeah.
Thank you. And then I'll see from here to here.
So if you have a look at the trade ID,
gold is what? NAS.
We were like this.
Yeah, gold. Oh.
We were literally like that. Our stops were about there.
Absolutely.
It was fucking beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Which I needed because it's been a horrible week. Yeah, so I've done a top down on gold. There's not much potential wingback sell, but risky. And then I've done one on NAS. Again, not really that much on NAS. So I'm going to go on to EU. That's when you know things are getting bad.
Oh, getting bad, yeah.
So we're doing a top down on EU now. Let's see what's going on. So, monthly on EU, closed bearish. And we've had this sort of triple top now. And what you find is when you get these triple tops, there's 1, 2, 3, and then go. 1, 2, 3, and then go. So EU tends to give quite a few tops and then it goes. I mean, this one give you how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go. So, but we're in an area now where we can really drive down. It's just a case of how far are we going to drive. We have broke back below this level. I would say this is probably our main support level here. We have broke back below, but remember this is a monthly candle. We've now had a decent top wick. So where can we see this monthly dropping? Well, if we look left, I could see this month was dropping down to these levels. It's 1.13111 levels, and the reason being is, yes, this took a few months to get down, but we did get down with one monthly candle from these heights. So that's the one I'm going to go off. What we can do. So I am very bearish on EU. It's just a case of can we actually get down there. So how do we grab sellers? Now what we don't want today, well actually this month, is we don't want this candle. See this little doji here? We don't want that to happen, because that means we're not going to move for the rest of the month. It means we're just going to mess about for a month. And we really don't want to do that. So we're going to hope that this liquidity grab here is enough to now push through and break the lows. So we go to the weekly. What's the weekly done? Well, the weekly printed bearish, and now we've had a top wick. I don't like how we've created a bottom wick first. Can this weekly flip back to the downside? Because remember that was a monthly candle. So can we flip back to the downside on the weekly? Well, potentially, yeah. And if we're going to do that, what's going to happen? Well, we're going to have a daily bearish candle, which we haven't had, and we push down. So if this daily closes like this, and then you would think, yes, tomorrow, if the weekly is going to flip to start pushing, the next daily is going to boat on a bank holiday. So it means New York would push it, which would make sense for it to really drop. And the reason being, there won't be much coming out of London. London will be closed. That means you've only got New York to push price. And I think, yes, that could really drop. I'm just thinking how we could catch it. How can we catch it? It's tough because I think I would need a daily bearish close. Because we've done a nice daily push now as well. So, like, how big is this daily candle going to be? I can't really see this daily candle pushing any further, really. This size candle is an abnormal size candle to all the other dailies. So it means, are we just going to mess about today? But once we get that daily bearish close, I think I'd be in for sells. At least break this low, but you're coming through on the monthly. I think that's what I would like to see. So this makes it difficult as well, because it means if the daily's done its push for the day, it means the daily now is just going to do this until it closes. That means the 4, the 3, the 2, the 1, we're just going to consolidate. We might do this and create a bigger, extend, and then each time you're getting bloody stopped out. Basically what happened yesterday. That's literally all I've done yesterday. Moved sideways, made another high, made a low, and all these were stopping you out, and that is like dangerous. I really don't like that either. No. The only thing we can do is look on a lower time frame, the hour maybe, and see where we can get the hour going. So that is EU. I'm probably going to have to wait for the daily to close, but that means it's probably no trading until next week. Oil is a bit of a nightmare. I wanted to pull back. It's completely fucked my analysis up, and we're just still pushing. The thing with oil, it could literally... The thing with oil now, look, people are making a lot of money on it because it's pushing. But it could just drop through the floor at any point, because let's say Trump fucking invades and takes over all the oil, straight away, boom, price will come down. Because he's now got control of all the oil. Do you know what I mean? It literally only takes one incident and price can just shoot. So, yeah, nightmare. XRP is still coming down. I didn't really got much of you, Dan. Which what we can do is go to... So, gold's pushing up, right? So, this is what I've got. If we go back to gold, we do like a bit of gold. So, when we've rejected at this level from these heights, it's only been here. Okay? The first rejection is here. We come up to this level, we tap, and then we come back down before pushing back up. This is why I was thinking, okay, we've got no bottom wick on the 1. Right, we haven't really retested this zone, but if this 1 pops up to here, are we going to get the same to come back down before coming back up? So could we take a wing back sell from 4647? That's probably the only thing I'd be looking for today. And I'm only going off literally one area, this. And what we can do is if the 1 closes above this level, the 1 closes above this level, this will be a no-go. If that 1 closes above, that tells us, okay, this is the move. If the 1 stays respecting this level, and we close bullish like this, and the new 1 pops up, I will take a sell back down. Where would stops be, you ask? Stops would just be this high here. I'm only going off one area. So yeah, I think I would do that, but I'm just not sure it's going to get up. All the other areas don't really fit, but all the other areas don't. Like this one closed respecting this level, but not at it, like ours, and then we pulled back to here and then dropped. So yeah, we've only got that sort of one area to go off, really. I mean, you could have that as another area. That's another potential wing back area as well. If you come back to this. That's where stops would be for me there. So you've got two potential wing back areas. The cells. All this area, it just means nothing. Just means nothing. So what we want, ideally, this is exactly what happened on the other area. This one closes respect in here. Okay. Then the new one pops up, taps, and then flips bearish. That's exactly what happened here. So one comes up, closes respected. New one opens up, pops up, top wick, and then flips bearish, straight back down. Oh yeah.
Hey.
That's it.
Good morning, Andre.
Good morning.
Good morning, Andre. I thought, oh, bloody hell, we got a sore throat there. Your voice is normally squeaky. How are we doing, Andre?
So tell me, you guys were all in shorts last night, right?
Yeah.
All in shorts, why? I don't get it. I don't get it, Andre.
It's nothing to see, sweetie pie. We're looking at some charts. Yeah.
We're looking how to lose some money.
See? That's what we're looking at.
We're looking how to fling money away.
Yeah, yeah.
Because we're addicted to charts. So, Andre, I've just done top down on gold, NAS, and EU, and it's just
Noise.
Not looking very good.
No.
Have you got anything?
I literally just jumped on, so I'm gonna see if any ranges are forming. I'll do the breakouts if there's anything.
I caught a cork of a trade yesterday. I don't know if you've seen the trade ideas. Was in the trade ideas. Yeah, fantastic.
What's that?
De kommer i morgen.
Are you?
Jo, de gør.
Other than that, the charts have been this month has been terrible. Absolutely terrible. I'm actually down on my, for the month, on my other accounts, for the whole month, not on stream, but for the month, because obviously I trade as well, take trades off stream. I'm actually down for the month. It's been an awful month for me. But on stream we're still doing okay, but it's just been horrendous. Horrendous. So we will see. The only thing I've got on, Andre, is a potential wingback sell here. And I'm only looking to come to this. That is it. That's all I'm looking to come. So this would be a, I believe it's be 2 to 1. Oh, 3 to 1. Not too bad. But it is risky. It's only happened once, them areas. There's that area, and then there's another area here. Where you could also tap. So they're the 2 areas I've got. But the thing is, on this first one, I'm not willing to put my stop loss there. I used to do that. But so it's a bit of a tricky one. But yeah, I will take this wingback sell if this hour respects this level. If this hour still respects this level and the next hour pops up, taps, I'll then take the sell. That's what I'm expecting. That is what I'm expecting, Andre. Do you know what? I'm going to put this. Did I put on the trade ideas? It's not the best. And the reason I've got this idea is because the only time we've came from. Try to get it on the same page. So coming from these heights is here. And we pop up, tap. Don't know if you can see that. And then come back down for another tap. And then price goes. So if price can keep pulling back, we've got no bottom wick on this one. I can see is tapping, coming back down, and then if it wants to come back up, it can come back up. But that's what I can see happening. If we do that, we could potentially look at a wing back buy as well, but I don't know why I wouldn't like that. The reason I probably wouldn't like it is because this is tapped all the way this low, so at what point do we need to now make another low? And where are we tapping before coming up? So it's I've literally only got that 1 hour wing back sell. That's it. That's all I've got. All I've got.
Yeah.
Even see how taking the mick out of me there. Shut up,
I
knobhead.
heard it.
I heard a whisper saying, "Shut up, knobhead."
No, well, I had you guys on mute because of this.
It's like he'll lose his money.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm sure I heard a cough and go, bullshit.
Liar.
So yeah, literally that's all I've got. Yeah.
Take buys, Dad. Take buys.
Yeah. Don't listen to her. It is a girl, isn't it?
Find that black oil. Oh, that's black gold. What do they call it? Oil, black gold, right?
Black gold, yeah. Well, black oil's pumping at the minute.
Yeah.
Like, they should chill, calm bits, tits. So I think that is the score for next year's stream in August. We're going to start £1,000. I'm going to show my MT4 and everything. We might blow it in the first week. But
we need to see the economy sort of plummet.
Yeah,
Plummet itself a little bit.
Yeah, we do. So it'll be £1,000. and I'm going to trade it for a year, and we'll just see where we are in a year's time. So in August, so get ready for that. Should be good. It should be good. And we'll probably be risking about so on 1,000. I haven't decided yet. We might risk. It won't be like risking 1% or 0.5%. It'll be dollars.
100%.
So we'll probably risk like $100 per trade until we get up to $2,000, say, and then maybe $200 per trade. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're going to try and see how far we can get that account in a consistently profitable, realistic manner. So that's what I'm going to be doing. That's what I'm going to be doing for next year, or this year even, August. If this one comes up and taps, I'll take it. But if the one closes above, guys, it's probably no good. Probably in order to take buys up, I would then need a break of the lows. This is what's difficult. So I really. Are you driving yet, Dan?
No.
Oh, right. Are you looking to drive?
I probably should, to be fair. I was straight after COVID. I did like me theory test and stuff, and then nowhere would take on new learners
Really?
for ages.
It's a
It was
nightmare
just a
getting
massive
lessons,
backlog.
isn't it?
Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah.
We need to have a
I
chat.
I should have done it a long time ago, but
Yeah, I might have an opportunity for you, but you need to
Sure.
drive. Yeah, I know.
all these opportunities with driving.
Are you wanting to drive?
I wouldn't mind. Like I say, it would make things a lot easier, but I've just sort of think I've let it go for too long.
How old are you now? 21, 22?
22, but my body's about 68.
Plus 10. No, how old are you really?
41.
Oh yeah, 41. Yeah. Never too late, mate. Never too late.
Well,
You
I've
know,
heard you kind of teach old dogs new tricks. I've heard that.
I think you're right. Well, I don't know if you've never drove, then I think you'll be all right. But like, if you put me through my test, I'd fail it. You know what I mean? I'm a shit driver, and I know I am. It's funny how the webcam zoomed in on my face as I said that.
As you said, I'm a
shit
shit driver.
And here's the thing, Dan. I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't care. As long as I can get from A to B safely, I don't care. I don't care what type of car I'm driving. Like,
Nah.
that's just get me there. But yeah. But if you'd done your test, you'd probably find you'd be all right. It's 15 here. I'm just gonna get this ready because that 15's closed doji. I don't know whether I can say it 15 pop up. Ideally, I want the next hour to do it. So we've got. We are pumping. 4 6 4 7 4 6 4 7 2 3. What is that? $100. So if this does tap up here, I will be taking it, guys. I'm going to be on around $100 mark risk. Let's see if I can quickly get this on the trade ideas. Not that anybody takes them, but it's on anyway.
Some poor soul will take them, Pete.
There hasn't been many at all, just because there hasn't been any good decent setups. Four, six. It's nice gold coming down, mind.
I think everything needs to come down, doesn't it? Just let it in.
Yeah. Um, 4622 622 3 4. Full TP is only 4585 45 79. You could try and get a further, but whether you need to just whether we need another bottom basically. 4585.79. I'm just not sure we can really drive up without, because we've had a nice push now. I think we're going to have some sort of pullback before coming up again. That's what prices showed us in the past. So it's just a case of if this hour doesn't activate us and it closes above, I will be deleting. So it's either this hour needs to activate us. We've got 22 minutes left of it, so the more pushes, the better. I mean, if this 15 can get it, fantastic. Or if the 15 closes like this, and the next 15 can open up, pop, and then flip, we would have had what we see quite a lot: little structure, breakout, fake out, back into the area, top wick. That would be Fandabby-dozy. Because that means the next hour just need to come up there then. It means the next hour we could just get a clean drop straight through on the next hour. I want to make sure we can actually get up. Do you know what I watched last night? I thought was fantastic. I really enjoyed it.
What?
Wuthering Heights.
Oh, no.
Have you seen it?
Old one.
Oh.
Don't know about any new one.
I did not. I've sort of like, I just thought, I was proper knackered yesterday. I was falling asleep on the couch and that. I just thought, you know what, I'll just put something on where I don't mind falling asleep to. So I put it on, and it's nothing what I thought it would have been. You know, but yeah, I enjoyed it. Thought it was good.
Heathcliff.
Yeah, I'm just gonna nip the toilet, guys. I'll be back in a sec. Oh, are we there? Oh, what the hell, nearly.
Is somebody chopping up some limbs or something?
Oh, shit, yeah.
It was a toilet break.
Yeah, sorry. I was talking to her. Yeah, someone's cutting a tree down, I think.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay, so the 15.
It was so loud.
Sorry, guys, sorry. Yeah, so the 15s can close anywhere out of here. It's more the 1. The 1 has to... If I get activated on this next 15, I'm going to be in for a sell here. Okay, Washi. I mean, this is not the best of trades though, guys, so do not risk if you're not happy with it. I tell you what, these glasses what I wear now, I couldn't get away with not wearing them. So, I always thought it was just a fashion thing. You know what I mean? All these weirdos with these orange glasses and that on the internet. But they are actually really good. You wear glasses, Andre, don't you?
I do, yes.
Is it for like, because you need glasses? Is it?
Doesn't need them, yeah.
Or
So
not just
I'm normally contacts. I think in the winter I wear my glasses.
Right.
I hate wearing contact lenses when it's super sunny. Oh, sorry, glasses when it's super sunny.
Yeah. I get you.
I have perfect vision.
I've got really good vision. It's just what I found is being on the computer a lot.
Yeah.
I come out with headaches. Get headaches like nearly every. Well, I haven't been getting them since I've been wearing these glasses, and I'm not on commission for these glasses. I'm not trying to sell them. I'm not going to say there's a link in the description. Right? like honestly. This is the thing with the internet, you don't know what's real anymore because people are just getting something. But since I bought, and these are only proper cheap ones, right? Proper cheap ones, I thought I'll just test them. I haven't been getting headaches, weirdly. And then when I take them off, I'm like squinting because I can hardly see now. Don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
I'm just waiting for Specsavers.
When we take a lot, I'll just put should have gone to Specsavers. We'll blame the glasses. We'll blame the glasses. I've never ever wore glasses. So when people see me online, they're like, "What the hell are you wearing?" They're not used to it. What are you wearing? It's like, it's not the glasses you need to be worried about. What's underneath my trousers? What I'm wearing? Got my birthday suit on. Right. So 15 is coming up. We would really need this 15 to flip. This is the last 15 for the hour, so I will be taking a sell. And I'm what we really want to see is the 15 to flip, close back below, because that would be the hour. So, come on, just a tad more. Okay, I am now in for a sell on gold. My stops are 4666. 666. Where's my bloody stops? Yeah, stops are pretty tight. And the reason they're tight is because I'm only going off one area. So I am in for a sell. If we come straight through, it is what it is. If we come straight through, it might mean we're coming to this level, or we're getting a steeper top wick, which we've never really done, and then we've come down. Unfortunately, just it is what it is. So don't risk what you're not willing to lose on it. Basically, it is a 3-to-1 trade. If the one closes above here, I'm looking to just get out. Okay, so it's got 10 minutes to drop, basically. That means if it is going to drop, the 15, this 15 has to flip and end up like that. That's the only way I'll be staying in it. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. But this is all we've got today, guys. Like, it's not even the best of trades. That's why I'm not risking that much on it. I don't think I've risked my usual amount in ages. Actually, no, I'll tell a lie. Maybe 2 months ago. But it's all been $100 here, $100 there, just because I haven't been fully confident with the proper setups. It's just mad trading because it's such a huge cycle. Like, we could be in this for a year, this horrible way of movement with the charts for a year, and then the next year might be so easy. But that in that year, people could just give up. But then the next year might suit them down to a T. You know what I mean? It's just, it's that's weird.
It's not good.
It's not good.
Well, that's it. I've been stuck in whatever this is since November.
Yeah, you are, aren't you? Like that.
Just not feeling it, but I don't want to give up. I've invested too much into it, so
yeah,
I want to see. Hopefully, it doesn't take a fucking year to get out of it.
Well,
I'd be sick of me life.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, because you're not still on that account, aren't you? That phase 2.
Yeah.
You know what, right? I don't want you to do this, right? So don't take it wrong.
Just get rid of the account.
You'll probably find that if you just got rid of that account, your next account you'll smash it both all the way through.
Hopefully,
Do you know what I mean?
Well, it's back up to 7% down again.
Yeah.
So it's not far off.
Yeah.
But like, if I can bring it back down to like 2% down again, I have to just go for it like I would normally go for it.
Yeah.
Lots normal sizes again.
Yeah. No fear.
And no fear. It either goes or it passes.
Yeah.
Either one.
It's because, like, if you think about it like this, right? So I've went in here for $100, right? Maybe just a tad more, right? $100. And let's say this flips, right? I might be at $30 up, say. There's no point me taking partial or going risk-free because I'm only $30. However, if I went in on a full 1%, which is $500, at this point I might be at $150. Then I'd be more eager to take partial and go risk-free. Do you know what I mean? So sometimes risking more, it actually helps you. Because you will take partial, you will go risk-free. But when you risk less, because you're worried about losing, you then don't take partial, you don't risk-free, so you let it run. So then you do take the loss.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It's like a psychological battle you're constantly having in your head. And sometimes you've just got to just go for it. Unfortunately. I mean, we're up profit now, $15. Wow. But we really need this 15 to flip. And there's still 2 5-minute candles left of this 15. So we need a nice big 5-minute candle to drop. So we need this one to close bearish. Nice big bearish. 1 minute left. Something like that. And then the next 5 maybe top wick. And then a flip down. That's what we ideally want to see for the hour to close respecting. So we will see. But yeah, so if you're like 7% down, what you could do is go, okay, right. So what have you got on that one? 10% or 12?
10%.
10%. Okay, so you've got 3% left to play with. So you could go, right, why don't I risk 0.5%? That means I'd have to take 6 losses in order to blow the account.
Yeah.
0.5%. 1-to-1. Take partial. Or even close out at 1-to-1. until you bring it out. You've only got to be 50% win rate. You know what I mean? Over 50%.
Yeah.
That's another one you could do. Or you wait for a A plus setup, as people call it.
A plus.
A triple A plus setup, and then just go big, what we used to call a fucker trade. A fucker trade. Yeah. Thing is, what you could do, another way you could do it as well, is put that account to a side for a bit, leave it, put it to a side for a bit, you get another account or demo or a live account, trade that for a bit. Once your confidence is back up, then go back to it. That's another thing you could do. Or you carry on normal jogging and you dig yourself out of it, and once you're out there, imagine the feeling will be far greater if you bring that account back and pass it. Imagine the feeling you've been down to 7%, minus 7%, like 3 times. And you've still passed it. Imagine the confidence that would put in you. But also, you would have to look and go, okay, why did I go 7% down? Following Pete on fucking YouTube, that's why.
Not knowing that
you're losing his money.
Yeah.
Nah.
It's funny because if I only take my trades just on stream, I'd be absolutely sound. But obviously, I take trades off as well.
Yeah.
Like this month, I'm down this month because I've done some stupid trades off stream. Yeah, so that's not ideal. I mean, I had a corker trade yesterday, but it was low lot on a live account, and yeah, wasn't too bad. But next year, I really want to push myself. I think a grand where I show my MT4, I show every trade, real transparency on it, and if we blow it, we blow it. It is what it is. Proper traders will understand that you do blow accounts. You will always blow accounts.
Oh yes.
Greed traders is what I call them. They won't. They'll just think, oh shit. Greed traders jump on a YouTube, and if you take a loss, that's it. They think you're shit. Not realising that actually everyone takes losses.
Yeah, you should be very suspicious of people that don't.
Yeah.
Apparently take them.
Come on, 2 minutes left. Means the hour's closing out here. What does that mean if the hour closed like this in 2 minutes? It means we could easily just carry on popping.
I'm just more scared of the 4-hour flipping.
The 4.
The
Yeah.
4?
Do you know what? Do you know what? You might be right, actually. I mean, it's a little area here, but I feel like we broke below that.
Yeah.
You come a bit further down. Yeah. I don't know. It's awful, man. It's what is this daily going to do? Could the daily flip? It could flip. Could flip.
It all depends if they're going to bomb Iran some more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If
Yeah. But the four is nice where we could see a nice drop through as well. But the issue we've got is we've already done the wick down there. It's just a case of there's another hour left of this 4, so what is this 4 going to do? The next hour is going to be key, really. Three's got another hour.
Is it a holiday tomorrow in the UK?
Yeah,
Monday?
bank holiday. I'm going to the northeast, Dan.
Huh?
I'm going to the northeast over the weekend.
Are you?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you
I'm
doing?
going to get a Palm on Saturday night. I'm getting a Palm on Sunday night as well.
Nice.
2
You
Palm
going to
ons.
Hartlepool?
Anthonypool. Yeah, Sunderland. My mum's at Sunderland.
Oh.
Oh, I know. I don't like that hour, guys. Why you do this to me? The hours broke above, and yeah, I'm gonna be out, guys. I'm out. I'm out of that. Let me quickly get this on the agenda. There's a chance the hour could drop. There's a chance the hour could fake out, and it might do that, right? And we'll be pissed off that this hour has dropped and faked out back in. But if we look left, when you get an hour close above, you tend to just keep pushing. But I can't take buys up until I pull back. Might not. But we could easily come straight through to stops here with this hour. This one comes to here. Just thinking, if this hour pulls to there, would I get another entry on? If we've got no bottom wick. If this hour pushes up to here, right? I'd enter the same lot size with the stops here. It'd be tiny, tiny loss if it doesn't play out. Because I do believe... Does the one need it? Oh, this is probably going to drive down here, guys. But fucking... It's not for me, that, like... Good luck if you're still in it.
Why, thank you.
Are you still in?
I am.
Yeah. What I would probably do, because you're flipping bearish now, maybe move your stops to the high. If you break the high again now.
It's just coming back up.
Yeah. So you've now got a bottom wick on the one. Yeah, it's not for me. That. Let me just have a look at NAS, because that means NAS has probably done a little jump. Oh.
Wait, have you seen how in sync NAS and gold has been yesterday?
It's been very in sync, Andre.
It's completely.
Yeah.
I was watching, I think, on 30 minutes, and it looked almost identical.
Yeah, yeah. It was like that yesterday and the day before. It's been like that. It's weird.
Don't like that.
No. We don't like that. We need other options. You know. Need other options.
That's it, and I don't want to lose on 2 pairs.
There is a wing back area here on NAS, but you would need this 1 hour to tap it. What's the one done here? So the one hasn't broke out, but on gold it did. Broke above there, then we haven't filled the range yet. I'd say that's the next hour. Okay. Maybe we might have something else on NAS. But the thing with all these trades, they're all off like the 1 hour, because the higher time frames are just not right for us. That must have been news, surely. 1 o'clock, yeah, that would have been news. There's no top wick there, so could we not take the buys up? 2 1 hour candles with no top wick, and the one's broke above and hasn't filled the range. So if we can work out how far this bottom wick's going to be on the one, Could we not take a wing back buy? The 2 is bullish. The 3 hasn't closed yet. There's still another hour left at the 3. Got no bottom wick. Got 2 candles with no bottom wick either, so we do have contradiction. The 4 has closed respecting. Can we see the 4 coming back down for to flip bearish and then flip back bullish? If not, could we not just get a buy stop above the 1 now? We do have an advantage point. If we had a buy stop above the 1, you've got 2 candles. We're not much of a top wick. We haven't filled the range. This is the 1 range. So if this 1 hour does flip, it's highly likely it's got to tap at least this. So there's an advantage point. Yeah, it's got to tap that for me. There's nowhere else to go. No, there's this little area here, but yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop on NAS here, guys. Where can it go though? This is the thing. So I think you're gonna get a rejection here. So you'd have to take partial on that level. But you'd have to go risk-free here because you can also reject them here. It's not the biggest of ranges, but this would be risk-free. This would be take partial. Where would stops be? The stop would be the low of wherever the wick is. So, but this hour would have to flip. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to have a buy stop above on... Oh, gold's coming down, lovely. Are you still in, Dan?
I am.
Fantastic, good. Happy. Lovely. Oh, if you get a fake out, if you get a close back in this low, fantastic. Leave it and let it hit TP. Do you know what I mean? You've got a 3-to-1 there. I'd just go risk-free once you tap this level. You're going to have to be a bit ballsy, obviously, to get your thingy. But yeah, I couldn't stay in on that, guys. I had my rule of the hour, but it's looking nice. However, gold is dropping, so that tells me what we've just been talking about. NAS might be dropping. Whatever. But if the 1 does flip now, and the 15 hasn't closed yet, so where do we want this 15 to close? We ideally want this 15 to close respecting this level, not below, ideally. Close bearish, continue. Actually, here's another one here, so not below that. Yeah, so ideally if we can get the 15 to close respecting this level, then we can have the buy stops on off the 1. 6 minutes left. You can technically get the buy stops on now, but you might as well just watch the 15. Yeah, that's all I got. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Tell you what, if the 15 closes respect, and what does that mean? The 15 closes respecting this level, I might even get in on a swoop entry. Stops the low here. Which is the wick, so that'd be fine. 5 minutes left. If the 15 closes below, I'm not sure I would put this on. 15 close below. I would probably want to wait for a 15 close back above to get it on. Yeah. Come on, 15. So this can be a buy stop. But I haven't put mine on yet, and the reason being is because if the 15 closed below here, I'll be deleting it anyway, because the next 15 could easily pop up, break the highs, and then bring us back down. But if this 15 closes respecting, then I can keep this on, but I'll also look. Let's say this 15 closes like that, the next 15 opens up. You can either market execute or bottom wick, buy stop above, ready for the flip to come back up. That's what I'd be interested in, really. How's gold getting on? Oh, nice. Come on, Dan, get on there. Are you still in on that, Andre?
No, I closed as well.
Yeah. And this is what's been the hardest thing. What's lately, especially this month, it's just it hasn't been copying previous data. It's been doing its own thing. It's like you're having to tell the future, basically. It just hasn't been following what it's done in the past. So it has been difficult the last month. I won't lie. Come on, 15. Close respecting for us. As for targets on this, it's hard because this is technically, you tend to reject from here, from this level, but also you've got this one comes right back up. So yeah, I mean, you could have your full TP here. I'd definitely take 75% out there. 75%, which might not be a huge amount. You'd be looking at that's just have a 7-1, but that alone is a 1.5 to 1. Best of ranges. Fortunately, money is money. Oh, this 15 just look like it's going to close respect it anyway. Oh God, what a day! Ooh. Now, if the 15 closes back in, where should we be going next? Well, we've got this level where the 15 closes back in. It doesn't really drive down. You've got a bullish close there. This one drove down to here. These ones to here. This one straight through. It's not the best. 15 close back in. Then we get a bullish one. So I don't even think I would take the 15 really. Come on, 1 minute. 1 minute left. Come back up. Come back up.
I'm sitting.
Sit still. Yeah.
Now if the 15 does close below, I'd need to wait for a 15 close back above, but you could get that as well with 115, and we've just missed it. It's caught us out. Oh, it's not gonna happen. Did gold tap its not yet. 15 bearish close, doji style.
It's not looking good.
It's because the one, mate. It's all the one. If the one closes above, you tend to push through to these levels. This is still valid. This one at the moment. Yeah. But whether we're going to get through to that, I'm just not sure. The it looks like you tend to reject from here, and then you come back down for another bottom. That gives you the liquidity to come up. You tend to reject again from here, and then you come up. I mean, this one would have been stops actually. I'll have to have a look at this. It would have to be like that. So yeah, but if gold is gonna flip, means our NAS would look to flip. 15 bearish close now. We've had a fake out back into the area, but this is an area where it can really mess about. Really mess about. Let's have a look if we get a 15 close back above. So 15 close below. We need a 15 close above that now. If I got a 15 close back above that, you don't really. Here we go. 15 close below, 15 close back above. But look what this 15 does. Or he taps it. So we would lose our advantage point. So it means it can pop up, which is not very nice because it's literally 50-50. Yeah. Hopefully it won't. Could we get the buy stop above? Potentially. But you just run the risk of bringing it down. What's that? What's the next candle? 30 minutes next to close. These 30s. 30. So the 30 has broke out. Tipped upside.
Upside.
So you could maybe go off the 30. Rejection and straight through. 30. Make. Oh, wait, what's this here? Why have you done this? What is this? So there is a potential wing back area here where we are now. I think stops would be hard to find. That would have to be like that if we were going to do that. Which it's tapped its wing back area. We'll see what this 15 does. We'll see how this 15 closes. What's gold doing? It's coming up, yeah. Not ideal on gold. To take buys up on gold for me now, I would need. But you don't even tend to get it. You tend to just keep pushing. You don't get much of a bottom wick. I think I would take this wing back area though. If we can get to this if we can get to this all bullish on the hourly, I think I would take it. So what I mean is, if we don't print any bearish candles on the hourly, and we keep printing bullish, I think I would take this wing back sell from here. Yeah, I think I'd be interested in that. What news we got today?
Yeah, James, I'm going to say, leave you.
Gonna what? Sorry.
See you next week.
Yeah, no worries, Andy. Have a good weekend, mate.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, have a good
Thanks,
weekend, buddy.
Bye.
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 It's not ideal, Dan.
Yeah.
If this 15. Can't really do anything here, mate. But then look at Nas coming down. If Nas is still coming down, matching goals gonna keep coming down. Tell you what, I might have a swoop entry on Nas. If I can get a 1 minute, 1 minute bullish close. Well, look at the 3. Breaking out to the downside. 5's flipped. We haven't had a 5 bullish close as of yet. 15. We haven't had a 15 bullish close. 1's closed. Bearish. That's the 5 close respected. What are you doing, Naz? Oh, it's awful, Dan. Awful. If Naz keeps dropping, you should be alright with gold. Gold should follow. I mean, this was a cork of a trade. Lovely entry. You really need a 1 hour close back below here. You've got 13 minutes for it. I can't get in anything at the moment. Oh my God, Dad. What is happening? What is happening? We've had such a big drop. It's like you're probably gonna have to correct some of that.
Yeah.
But where are you gonna correct to? This is the thing. You've got no bottom wick on the 4 either. How steep's this bottom wick gonna be on this 4? Or is this 4 gonna be like this one? Small bearish. And then the next 4. And then the next 4. I mean, you've got a wing back sell here as well, to be honest with you. 23775 if you're on this. Rejection, but the 1 stays bearish. You're amazing, just the way you are. I think I'm gonna call it, Dan. I've just got nothing here, mate. Yeah. I've got nothing.
Awful.
I think with your gold one, what I would personally do, because obviously we need to try and claw that account out. See what you like with your profit here. Whether you take some percentage or once you tap this, go risk free and just set your TP and just leave it.
Yeah.
And just leave it. Because that's a 3 to 1. So what did you risk on it?
Just 0.2.
0.2.
0.2%.
Okay, so you're gonna have a 2, 4, 6.6%, so over 0.5% if you left it.
Yeah, so it was like my TP's 100 quid
Yeah.
for 20 quid risk. So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'll probably do. But other than that, guys, I think I'm gonna call it. There's caught an absolute corker trade yesterday. We caught a nice one today, but just not for me with the 1 hour. So other than that, I'll be back. When am I next on? A busy week next week. Tuesday the 7th. No, I won't, because I'll be coming back. Bio. Probably looking at Wednesday. Thursday, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday next week. Monday, Tuesday, I'm on my way. I come back on the Tuesday. So no Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday next week. I'm going to go YouTube. Thanks for joining. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will catch you later. Thank you. Just stop this now.
Oh, we're
TikTok, thanks for joining.